Welcome to Cooking with CRU. Today we're going to be whipping up a delicious and fresh citrus salad to be paired with a gorgeous fillet of salmon that will be baked in the oven over a bed of fresh dill and lemon. We're also going to be using our CRU Sauvignon Blanc seasonings, so make sure you have that handy, and this is going to be the perfect dish to serve outside for a beautiful alfresco lunch. You can even bake this ahead of time and serve this for a large group of people. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. We're going to get started by making our citronette. All you need are 2 lemons, 2 garlic cloves, a half a cup of CRU Olive Oil, salt and pepper, just a pinch, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. To get started, we're going to make our garlic paste. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. I like to add a little bit of kosher salt to the pile so that it extracts some of the moisture and makes it a lot easier when I go to make a paste. I'll let this sit for a couple minutes and then get started. By using the flat end of your knife, press down pretty hard on each of the little hard pieces of the garlic. I go through about 4 or 5 times. I'll chop it up a little bit. That's when the salt really comes in handy because it will really break down the garlic. Once you've got your paste all flat and nice and smooth, go ahead and add it to a mason jar. Add your teaspoon of Dijon mustard to the jar. This is a really good flavor. If you want to have a little bit more, you can use a tablespoon too. It just depends on how much you like the Dijon. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. This is really going to bring out the acidity in our Sauvignon Blanc and add a great texture to the citrus salad. Using a lemon zester, we're going to add about 1/4 a teaspoon of lemon zest right into the jar. A pinch of salt and pepper. I'm going to mix up all the ingredients and then slowly start adding the olive oil. This way everything incorporates evenly. Once you're done adding all the olive oil, go ahead and give it a good shake and make sure the consistency is exactly where you want it. Make sure you check the dressing before you seal it up to make sure it doesn't need any more salt or pepper. To get started on our citrus salad, we're going to be using 2 oranges, 3 blood oranges, 1 pink grapefruit, 1 fennel bulb, and 2 avocados. One trick for pairing citrus with Sauvignon Blanc is to remove the rind. A lot of times the rind will create a bitter flavor profile that doesn't pair so well with Sauvignon Blanc. preparing our dish with a 2018 CRU Sauvignon Blanc. The enticing aromas of fresh citrus and orange blossom and honeysuckle are complemented by hints of Tahitian vanilla and allspice. Juicy Meyer lemon and mouth-watering acidity throughout, balanced by its soft crème brûlée-like texture and long, drawn-out finish. This fresh, lively Sauvignon Blanc is going to pair perfectly with our citrus salad and our salmon. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. We're going to start our salmon. You will need your CRU Sauvignon Blanc, your CRU Sauvignon Blanc seasoning, CRU olive oil, some fresh dill, and 2 lemons. Slice up 2 lemons about 1/4 of an inch thick. Grab a baking dish and line it with your fresh dill. Once you have it all covered, go ahead and cover it with all your lemon. I've cut my salmon down to 2 small portion fillets and gently place them on top of the lemons. I'm going to add a little bit of CRU olive oil to the top and sprinkle it with CRU Sauvignon Blanc seasoning. Our CRU Sauvignon Blanc Spice was handcrafted to bring out the fresh citrus, crème brûlée, and toffee notes of our CRU Sauvignon Blanc. The CRU Sauvignon Blanc Spice has robust ingredients like lime peel, lemon verbena, chive, coriander, green peppercorn, salt, and a proprietary blend of spices. Lastly, add 1/2 cup of CRU Sauvignon Blanc to the bottom of the dish. The Sauvignon Blanc should rise up to just about where the lemons are. This is going to lock in that moisture and make the salmon melt right in your mouth. Cover this with foil and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. After 10 minutes, check your salmon periodically to make sure that it's not overcooked. Now that the salmon's done, let's go ahead and finish our salad and get dinner on the table. Coat the salad with your salad dressing and give it a nice mix. Once that's done, go ahead and add your avocados. I like to wait till the last minute because they get a little mushy when they're just waiting around. The aromas from this bright, beautiful citrus salad are incredible. I'm going to be adding a little pecorino cheese to bring out those vanilla nuances in our Sauvignon Blanc. I can smell the green peppercorn and lemon verbena from our CRU seasonings exploding off of this buttery salmon. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. To learn more about Vineyard 29, go to vineyard29.com or check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, enjoy.